In this video, I will show you how you can make a messenger bot using Manychat. Now, first of all, if you have not yet created your Manychat account, you can do so completely for free with up to 1000 contacts and no credit card required through the link down in the description, or if you prefer, you can get a 14-day free trial to the Pro plan that has some more advanced features. So after creating your account, you want to head over into the settings right here and then go to Messenger. Now, I've already connected my account, but I'll just quickly disconnect it to show you how you can connect it again. So when you're creating your account, you can also choose to just connect your Messenger or Facebook account directly. But if you haven't done that, just click on connect in the settings right here. And then here you should see all of your pages. If you don't, just click either create new page or I cannot see the page I want. Or you can refresh it to try again. Now I'll just connect this one and click connect. Now here you can just click start with free plan and then click let's start. So now you have connected your account and that is step number 1. Now head over into the automations and now here click new automation. Now from here for the channels you can select Facebook and then here you will see 5 messenger templates. For example, redirect customers to your website, use Facebook ads leads to nurture your messenger marketing, capture customer data with a lead magnet, use a quiz to qualify leads, create an ambassador program. Now you can also start from scratch if you'd like to, but for example I'll go with the quiz and click setup template. Now here you will see this is a really extensive one and it's pretty complicated. Now building this out yourself is going to take quite a long time, but you can see when a user sends a message containing the word quiz, so you could for example say send me the word quiz and then you get this, etc. So then the condition tag isn't quiz started, then the actions right here. Then if this contact doesn't match any of these records, then send this message. So it looks like you have already taken the quiz. If not, then take this action. And then you can ask this question with these options. And I'll just go ahead and preview it for you. So first choose the path to continue, condition 1. Now of course, usually they wouldn't enter that, but this is what it will kind of look like. So let's start with an easy one. Which wine would you pick for fish, red or white? So now, for example, someone gave the wrong answer with red wine right here. Now, of course, that is possible, but this is then the wrong answer. So then it will basically say that, and it really looks at if it's correct or not. So now a little harder. Do you know how the pink wine is made? And then they can select these options right here, and they can select the heart. So that is kind of how it looks. Now, of course, you can also set up your own automation by clicking new automation, then click start from scratch, and then go to messenger here. Then you could say, for example, when a user comments on your posts, or when they scan a QR code, when a pop-up model window is done, when they land on a landing page, anything like this. For example, user comments on your post. Now you could have the post contain a specific word, for example, a specific keyword, or you could have it exclude a specific keyword. And then you can choose for a specific post or any post. And then here you can choose what happens after. So you could have an AI step, or you could choose messenger, and then you could add a button. You can enter your text right here. And a button could be a multiple choice, a website, call a number, or an AI step, whatever you would like to. Now you can also add an image, delay, or a video, a gallery, whatever you would like to. So you can make this as complicated as you like, and you can also lead it to some kind of an action and qualify leads. Basically, you can have multiple triggers, you can have contact events, just build it out however you would like to. Now, a pretty popular one is, for example, if you tell your audience to comment a specific word, and if they do that, then they get some kind of an ebook, for example. So for example, if they need to comment guide, then when somebody comments guide, then you would like to send them that ebook. So click save. And then here for the message, say you can download your ebook below. And then here for the button, you can make it either open website. You can even add a buy button where people can basically buy the ebook if it is a paid one. But you can also add a file, so then you can just upload it. For example, if this would be it, then you can simply remove the button because then you don't need it anymore. But then you can basically see if I preview this, you can download your ebook below and then the file is right here. Now, if it's a PDF, for example, then they can download it. So they can click on the 3 dots and then click download, or if it's a video, they can just play it through there. And that is how that works. So it is a really robust system and very good. Now again, if you want to get started with Manychat for free, you can do so through the link in the description that will take you to this page. From here you can just get started for free. Everything I just showed you was on the free plan. So now you know how to set up a Manychat automation for Messenger. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.